Every night, Luma climbed the hill to watch the stars. But one night, the sky was empty, no stars, no moon, only darkness. "Where did they go?" Luma whispered. Her heart felt heavy. She searched the fields, the river, even the quiet forest. At last, she saw something strange, a tiny star lying weak in the grass. Luma picked it up gently. "You fell," she said softly. The little star was fading, its light almost gone. She cupped it in her hands and hummed a song Grandma used to sing. Slowly, the star warmed and twinkled a little. But Luma knew one star wasn't enough to fill the sky. She pressed it to her chest. "Don't worry, I'll help you find the others." All through the night, she carried the star. Whenever she met someone, a lonely boy, mother with a crying baby, or an old man, their faces lit up with smiles, and each time, the star in her hands grew brighter. By the last moments of the night, it glowed like a small sundae. Luma climbed the hill and lifted it high. The star shot into the sky, and suddenly all the stars returned, shining brighter than ever. Grandma stood beside her and said, "Do you see, Luma? Every bit of help you gave became a star in the sky. It was your kindness that made the night bright again." Luma looked up at the glowing sky and smiled through her tears. Now she knew, whenever you help someone, the whole world shines brighter.